How do you go from a static PDF where we cannot type anything into these boxes to a fillable PDF where we can type in any information and save it for later? Hi, and welcome to my first tech tutorial on this channel. I am Sarah, and on this channel I talk about everything relating to running a small business, graphic design tips and tricks, tech tutorials, social media, and more. Today, we will be going over how to make a digital document or PDF of any sort, like a lead magnet, a workbook, a checklist, or any Canva exported PDF you have to become fillable or typeable. Now, the advantage of doing something like this is to give the person downloading your document an option where they can type into the boxes rather than print and then physically write, because we all know that that piece of paper is eventually going to get lost. Now, it is worth mentioning that if you have a PDF already created, you do not need to re-export. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to show you that if we have our design already in Illustrator or in Canva, this method will work for both. Okay, perfect. So I have Illustrator open. In here, I have a workbook that is made out of 6 pages, and some of these have boxes in them that I want my students to actually fill them up later. So I am going to go to File, Save a Copy, and I am going to save this as a PDF, and let's name this tutorial PDF. Save. And in here, I'm just going to save it anything that you normally save. I usually save as high quality, and I remove this check mark because I don't want anybody to be able to edit this PDF, and it makes the actual PDF very large. So I'm going to save this. And then if I go to my actual PDF, I open it up, what we're going to see is that the boxes are not fillable. So when I press here, I cannot actually type anything. So that is the problem that we are going to solve. So we also have checklist, and we cannot do anything in here. So this is our PDF. I'm going to go and open up Canva so we can export a PDF. So I can also show you when you export a Canva how to do this as well. So here we are in Canva. I have created a lead magnet in here, and now I have a checklist that I want the students or anybody who is downloading to be able to fill it up. So I am going to go here, and I'm gonna download this PDF. Normally, however you do it, so I go to download, it's gonna be a standard PDF, and you know what, I just need that one checklist image. I don't need to download the whole thing, so I'm just gonna download that one and press done and download. It is downloading. So here inside this folder, it's the same issue. We cannot do anything here. So here's the magic where it all happens. I'm going to open my browser, and I'm going to type in sajda.com. This website is free to use. They do have a pricing plan, but for this task, we actually do not have to pay anything. It's totally free. I'm going to upload the PDF that we are going to be using. My PDF is now uploaded. We have all the images in here. Now we have a bar here on top. Here's what we are going to use. We are going to use forms. We can either enter text boxes or radio buttons, or we can add checklist. It all happens here. Because the boxes that we are going to use are multiple line, so I'm going to choose this option, and I'm going to scroll down to the page that I actually need to use, which is this one. I'm clicking over here. I am making it bigger, and right now this text is too big when people are going to type. So what I'm going to do is, where is it? Yeah, so I'm going to mention the number of text lines. So I'm going to say just 10 lines. That will make the text smaller. Okay, that's all you have to do. Scroll down and do that same thing again and again. So that text box here is good. Here we have a checklist. So I'm going to go to Forms, and instead I'm going to pick this checkbox. Okay, so I'm going to do that. And I'm going to repeat this over here. And on these lines, I can put a one-line box. So that would be text box, and it says single line. And I can make it as big as I want. And I'll do that for the other ones. I think you get the idea. I'm just going to go ahead and show you how to move forward from here. See this green button, it says Apply Changes. Here's my file ready. All I have to do is download it. Okay, so it downloaded the file. I am going to open it here. And let's go test it out. So I'm going to go to the page over here, and I can type in. So one of the things that you notice here is that it has a black border. We can actually get rid of that. We don't have to have it this way. So let me show you. When I press on it, I can remove that outline, so I don't have to have it. You can choose any color, but I don't really think that's necessary. So you do not need to have a border around your boxes. Please subscribe so that you can see more tech tutorials from me in the future, and I'll see you in the next video.